Just look at this, the egg yolk. Good evening, this is Jan. Welcome to my kitchen. I just been to my local Chinese supermarket, Amazing Oriental, where I bought some eggs. But these are not just any eggs. These are 1,000-year-old duck eggs. At least that's one name they go by. Some other names are century eggs, preserved eggs, or just black eggs, because on the inside they're black because of a traditional process where they are put in a solution of clay, wood ash, quicklime and salt. But in this case, this is the modern process. It's just, let me have a look, salt, water and tea leaves. Now this is what the egg looks like from the outside. Just a regular duck egg. Now look at this. The color might seem a little bit strange for an egg, but anyway. The package contains 6 eggs. I'm going to use 4. So here are the black duck eggs unpeeled. Some nice crystallization, similar to snowflakes in the egg white or egg black maybe. I'm going to cut the eggs into quarters so that they are easier to work with. Plus they are bite-sized pieces like this. Just look at this, the egg yolk. It's kind of green color. They are not easy to slice. Put a little bit of water on the knife. That makes it kind of easier. Here I got cold tofu, because that is something that is used in one of the most traditional Chinese recipes with black duck egg. So I'm gonna slice it into thin pieces. It's time to build a plate, so I'm gonna put the tofu right here in the center. And I place all the quarters of duck egg around the tofu. I just drizzle some soy sauce, a little bit more, over the tofu, because that's what they do in this recipe. Oh, a little bit too much, no worries. Plus, and this is my personal contribution to the recipe, a little bit of sriracha sauce. Just to make it a little bit spicy, because some people use chili flakes, but I like sriracha, so why not? And then to finish it all off, chopped scallion. Not too much. just enough. I got my chopsticks, I got my black duck egg, so let's try this. First, without all of the seasoning. Now that is nice, that is very creamy. The egg yolk, yeah. Because the smell is like sulfur, ammonia. Not too much really. I love the flavor. Tofu. Which has not much flavor, but in combination with the black egg, plus the spice of the sriracha and the saltiness of the soy sauce, that makes a very beautiful combination. I love this stuff. The egg yolk has the flavor. The egg white has the texture, like the jelly texture. That's what it is. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, keep on enjoying your food like I do.